3, 2, 1. Hi everybody, and welcome to the first video of Classroom 2 for Computer Science. What we are going to do is, instead of using one of my videos for part 1, we are actually going to use the official Google CS Remix project. So you're going to go into Scratch and you're going to remix the Google logo. What you're going to do is there's going to be a link at the top of your Google Classroom. You're going to click on that and that's going to take you to the project page you see here. So there's an intro video that's about 2 minutes. You can watch that. And then you want to right click on the starter project right here. And this is going to open you up to the official CS First starter project. You're going to click See Inside, and then you're going to click the Remix button, and that's going to make that project your own. So you're going to start to pull it apart and experiment. Why I like using this as the first project of level 2 for computer science is if we jump back to that first tab, scroll down here, each one of these categories here, the chase, the draw, the edit, the add a backdrop, the change of scene, they all have their own video, which means that you can keep coming back. If you forget how to do something in Scratch or do one of these pieces of animation, you can come back and you can check out that video. So you can just jump around and there's a lot of things that you can reference and go back to. The same way I like you to go back to my videos. If you forget how to do something or you want to be reminded, you can do it with this Google project for Scratch. So that's actually pretty much it. I just want you to watch the Google video and get into it. But just real quick, I want to show off some examples of some great student work for project 1, where we're doing the Google remix. Project 2, we're going to bring in our own PNGs and we're going to make a animated logo or an animated version of our own name. And then for part 3, instead of bringing in PNGs, we're going to create and bring in GIFs to create an animated version of our name where each individual letter is not only moving around the screen, but is a GIF itself. Let's show off some student work real quick. If you want to be inspired, you can open up the Park Rose Studio project and kind of see what other students are doing and look at their code as well. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press play. This one was I think one of the most amazing Google remixes we've had. Our student went in and just remixed each one of these letters and kind of did the art. I love the wink. There's a little star that pops out. Amazing. Another kind of 8-bit letters are moving around, adding a bit of animation. Looks great. This one here, so it looks pretty cool. He coded this box, so you click break and all the letters fall apart. Now if you click, all the letters go towards the mouse. So he's just kind of experimenting, trying to figure out some cool stuff. I love the GIF background. On this one, we got Jenny. I think some really cool design, really cool use of GIFs, good color. And this one we got Melanie. It's a little bit of a glitch art on the name itself, and then that really cool animated GIF background. Alex is here. I love this because when we press play, the use of the same animation effect on the letters going from the bottom to the top left creates this really, if you just stare at it, especially if you go full screen, it creates this really, it feels like all the words are being pulled down. It creates a really cool optical illusion. I really like the minimal use of just a single GIF in the background, the black cat. It's kind of wild and the eyes kind of mirror the colors. It's great. And then here's my ridiculous example. No words, just pizza. So these are some examples of what we'll be doing in this project, and I'm excited to see what you make. All right, bye.